Hey guys, this is Skyforce95 here. This is another item that I had picked up during the Black Friday and Cyber Monday deal on Amazon. So this is a soccer Tiro 17 pants by Adidas. This is the youth sizing just because I am a petite female, so I can be able to fit into kids clothing and get discounts on clothing. So how great is that? But anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this review. I have to say, after having this for about a month, I think I really like this athletic pants. I've been searching a long time to find something that was comfortable, versatile, has plenty of pockets, can be worn for both casual and also athletic use, and I think this is just the perfect pants for that. At the top of the pants, there is an elastic waistline with tieable ropes. If you had to make it a little tighter, you can. The basis of design for this pants is their ClimaCool technology, which allows you to dissipate heat easily through the material. You can see at the top towards the back there are some more perforations, so that's where your waistline is probably where you have the most sweat coming out of your body, so that's a nice place for it to dissipate sweat. The stylistic Adidas touch, you can see the 3 stripes along the thighs of it, and where it cuts off is technically where your knees are supposed to be. You can see I'm kind of in between sizes, so it's not exactly perfect for me, but it's very clear that these are Adidas branded if you really care about branding. And moving down to the bottom of the pants, you can see that it is tapered to the ankles. However, the opening of the ankle size can be adjusted via this zipper right here, which is pretty handy, and it works pretty well for the most part, except the fact that I am a little bit in between sizes, so this is a little bit longer than I would like. So unfortunately, if the zipper is too close to the bottom, I do tend to step on it and it gets a little bit uncomfortable because of that. So there is a little bit of an adjustment that I have to make for the zipper in order for me to feel comfortable wearing it with the zipper. So it's alright. I do appreciate that they have this kind of flexibility if you really needed that. And then talking about the other portion of this pants that is zippered, and that is the 2 front pockets. It's always nice to see when you have zippered pockets, just because if you put a lot of stuff in there, say your phone that's really important to you, if you sit down and with something more slippery like these athletic pants, it's really easy for stuff in your pockets to just slide out without you knowing it. So I really do appreciate that they put in zippers on either side. Having zippered pockets also means if you're going out for a run, you want to just have your keys or your phone with you on all times. You don't need to worry about having another bag with you. You can just put it in these zippered pockets, zip it up, and you should be good to go. So these pair of pants have really grown on me. They're so versatile. They come in a wide variety of colors, so you can get one that matches your team or whatever, and they're great for both casual use and athletic use all around. Really great design. It's very breathable, and it's not one of those polyester material that always has lint and hair clinging to it during the winter. It's still spacious enough, even though it is a fitted design, for you to wear like some tights or some thermal gear underneath, so this can still be a nice apparel to use during the winter as well. So it's very versatile, and it's at a great price, around $20. This is the youth version like I'm reviewing now, but I'm pretty sure there's a really similar one in the adult sizing too. If I have found that, then I'll put that in the link as usual in the description. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. You'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Skyforce95, if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.